striving to capture the essential and hitting the streets to walk the digital roads and always listening to the people they encounter. That's how Pope Francis describes the task of journalists. The Holy Father, in his message to Vatican reporters, emphasized the importance of not sugarcoating tensions, but at the same time, not creating unnecessary noise. His remarks highlight an ongoing crisis in which recent polling confirms that only 7% of adults in the Western world have a great deal of trust in the news media, and 38% have no trust at all. The question arises in Catholic media: how can the faithful respond to growing concerns, reestablish dedication to the truth, and renew hope in the field of journalism? Rising Catholic journalists traveled to Rome to participate in the third edition of the EWTN Summer Academy that aims to train the next generation of Catholic journalists.
We come from all over the world. There are people coming from Iraq, from Asia, from Europe, from the United States, and then we all come here together for the same mission, which is we want to spread Christianity using the power of the media.
40 journalists from over 20 countries studied, collaborated on scripts, and worked in teams to produce, shoot, and edit videos, all while taking a deeper dive into their faith. Each of the participants was accepted after a rigorous application process. Only the best and most promising candidates were accepted.
It's been such a blessing meeting Catholics from all over the world who also love their faith, love the Lord, and are passionate about journalism. And the Summer Academy has brought us together. Hopefully, we'll be friends forever.
The EWTN Summer Academy has been amazing to bring together all these like-minded Catholics who are just as passionate as I am in spreading Christianity using the power of the media. So it's such a gift to meet all these people of diverse backgrounds, gifts, and ministries, and then to be gathered here in the heartland of the Catholic Church in Vatican City to be invested in and empowered to be sent forth to our own home countries and communities to make an impact for Christ in the Church.
The program focuses on hands-on practice, camera work, video editing, script writing, and on-camera reporting. It also delves into the spiritual and today's issues facing Christians. How do we cover hot-button issues? How do we become 21st century apologists? How do we engage with the faithful around us? Scheduled events also offer a better understanding and appreciation for the Petrine ministry and the Vatican. At the general audience, each of them trained their skills by interviewing pilgrims and looking for stories.
I think that one of my favorite experiences from the Summer Academy has been the general audience, where we watched the Pope's message. Certainly we're there to enrich our faith, but also practiced doing journalism, which is what we are called to as Catholic journalists.
The Summer Academy serves also as a kickoff point for participants. They will now join their peers from previous years in a vibrant alumni community with regular meetings and continuous education. All of this will be instrumental to having a future generation of journalists that will be able to capture the essential.
The answer is not far, and it lies in the Catholic youth.
Located only steps away from St. Peter's Basilica, highlighting how a change in pontificate...
The aim of the EWTN Summer Academy is to gather young Catholic journalists, provide knowledge, boost faith, and create an alumni community. Participants can stay in touch, help each other, and share their passion for journalism and faith.
I'm here at the Summer Academy because I want to both grow in my faith, learn how to cover the Catholic Church in a more honest way. I also want to help spread the word of the Catholic Church and bring people closer to Christ. It's the big picture.
The campus, situated on the Janiculum Hill in Rome, offers a stunning view of St. Peter's Basilica. The next edition of the EWTN Summer Academy is scheduled for July of next year.